Look, I'm going to say it. Most people's decks in winter look like they are auditioning for a documentary called Forgotten Spaces. Brown leaves, sad pots, and that one plant you promised you'd save, but absolutely did not. But here's the deal. You can have color out there all winter. Real color, not fake holiday decorations taped to a railing. Actual plants that stay alive. And in this video, I'm going to show you the colorful plants that survive real cold, how to pick the right ones for your deck, and this is the big one, how to care for them without adding a part-time job to your life. If you want your winter mornings to feel brighter when you open the blinds, stay with me. Let's start with what actually survives the cold. And I mean real cold, not I wore a light jacket today. There are plants out there built like winter linebackers. Here are the ones that consistently show up and show out. Pansies and violas. These things freeze solid and then decide to bloom again like nothing happened. Absolute attitude. Hellebores. Gorgeous blooms in pinks, whites, purples. And they show up when most plants are in a seasonal coma. Winterberry. Bright red berries, serious holiday energy without you having to decorate anything. Ornamental kale and cabbage. These look fancy, dramatic, and surprisingly tough. The drama queen that actually handles stress. Heathers, soft purples and magentas, all winter long. If you plant even one of these, your deck instantly looks like it's trying again. Plant shopping in winter is like picking the right sweater. The colors matter, sure, but so does the fit. Here's how to not overthink this. Know your cold level. Check your zone and pick plants that can handle colder than your area. Containers get cold faster, so give them a little buffer. Look at your deck light. Full sun? Go pansies, winterberry, kale. Shade or partly shady? Hellebores and heathers are your friends. Use bigger containers. Small pots freeze like a popsicle. Big pots give roots a fighting chance. That's it. Keep it simple. You don't need a botany degree. You need matching temperatures and a container with confidence. Caring for winter plants is way easier than people think. You're not running a greenhouse. You're just helping them not freeze their roots off. Here's what matters. Water when dry, even in winter. Dry cold is a silent killer. Don't drown them. Soggy, cold soil? No thank you. Mulch the top. Think of it like a cozy beanie for your plants. Shield them from the wind. Cluster pots together if your deck is a wind tunnel. If you do these 4 things, your plants are good. No pep talks required. All right, quick pause. If you've got a deck set up or you're trying something this winter, tell me in the comments. I read them, and half of the ideas for these videos come straight from what you're dealing with at home. Give me your winter plant questions. I want to hear them. All right, let's bring it home. We covered the plants that survive the cold, how to pick the right ones for your space, and how to keep everything alive without turning it into a chore list. Winter color is absolutely doable, and honestly, it feels amazing to look out there in January and see something that's still fighting the good fight. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and join the Ask KP community. We're here to make everyday decisions easier, clearer, and let's be honest, a little more fun. And if you want help planning your winter deck or picking plants that fit your home, go to askkp.com. Ask your questions, explore more guides, and if you want one-on-one help, you know where to find me. See you in the next one.